Hey, I'm Brigitte. I am a first-year student at LSU School of Veterinary Medicine. I'm a member of the Equine Club, and we are doing the Parade of Breeds today, hosted by BREC's Farr Equestrian Center, to show you some of the many breeds of horses.
Walking Boss. Boss is American warm blood. American warm bloods are just thoroughbreds, European warm bloods, and draft breeds all mixed together. To be considered American warm blood, they have to be born in the US, Canada, or Mexico. Boss was bred at Angola to be a Plouse horse actually. And then when we got him, I put him into jumpers so that way his true athleticism can shine.
Baby, she's a quarter horse. Quarter horses are the most common breed in the world. They got their name because they were popular for running quarter-mile races and usually won these races against other breeds.
CF is a Dutch warm blood. They are popular competitive horses, especially for jumping and dressage because of their even tempers and great agility. They are so reliable, smart, muscular, and diligent. He competes in both jumpers and hunters, from welcome skates and mini pricks to hunter the breeze.
This is Kira. She's a Hanoverian. These horses were usually used for field work, the cavalry, and carriage pulling. They are known for their stamina and strength and excel in competitive disciplines such as jumping and dressage. She is imported from Germany, and she competed in Grand Prix jumpers, high jumping AO, performance hunters, hunter derbies, and lead line.
This is Geronimo. He's an Appaloosa. They're one of the oldest breeds in America and known to be versatile and hardworking. Some interesting traits about them are that they all have the sclera, or the white of their eye, showing, and they have molten skin around their muzzle and eyes.
This is Mary. She's one of the miniature horses here on property. And miniature horses are, they can't be taller than 38 inches, and their small size makes them great for interacting with children, and they're often used as therapeutic horses, and they even show in hand as well.
This is Maggie. Maggie's a thoroughbred. Thoroughbreds are very popular, or the most popular breed for racing, and one of the most expensive breeds because of their speed and athleticism.
This is Hildy. She's a Percheron. This breed is the gentle giant of the horse world. They were originally used as war horses, but are now used for pulling carriage and farm work because of their strength and stamina.
This is Fox, and he's a paint. They are known for their flashy colors, strength, and friendly personalities. They are also relaxed and intelligent horses, which make them unchallenging and rewarding to train.
This is Two Live Crew, and he's a saddlebred. They are known for their friendly and calm temperament and sloppy necks, which make them popular for both riding and carriage driving. This breed is also known for their exaggeration movements and high stepping action. Crew is a great jumper.
This is Mabel. She's a halflinger. Their friendly, sweet temperamented character makes them a popular breed. In the wild, this breed lives in the mountains, which makes them very sure-footed, sturdy horses to ride.
Ponies, Bailey and Maisie. Bailey is this one, and she's a full Welsh, and Maisie is right here, and she's half Welsh, half Arabian. Both Welsh ponies and Arabians are known for their diversity. They can do a bunch of different things in the show ring. They can do carriage driving, western, and hunter, just to name. So both breeds are very versatile.
I'd like to thank the wonderful girls from Farr Park's Interscholastic Equestrian Association for helping out with the Parade of Breeds.